Morning geocachers, I hope you're well. Just in York on this Saturday morning doing a few caches, and I'm going to do this one. I'm doing the York City walls, not quite sure if you can see that. I'm doing a few on City of York, on the can't even get the words out. I'm doing a few on the walls around the City of York this morning, and so I'm about to head off and see if I can find this one. I have noticed at the top of the stairs there are some works going on the walls. It was found on the 23rd of the 1st according to the log. Here's hoping I can find it. Right, let's go looking. Now, according to the app, I'm not that far away. However, there are some works going on over here, as you can see, and I'm hoping that's not going to get in the way. Right, okay, so they've put a walkway around. Looks like we're going to be okay. According to this, just a few meters away. Very short video this morning. So let's just have a look at the skyline. Look at those clouds. And a nice line across the sky there. In a few weeks, all this banking will be covered in daffodils, and it'll look really quite spectacular. On with the cache. Well, this one actually looks a little bit tricky because it's saying, and the hint is, in the hole in the small wall. And in the log, in the activity log, it does say somebody said that they had to jump off the wall for this one. So does that mean I've got to get down to go and check that wall out down there? I guess there's only one way to find out. Well, I'm down. So let's go and have a look. Getting back up's going to be fun. Well, the only thing I can see that stands out is down there. And it says it's supposed to be in a canister, but that is just a bag with a very wet log in. So I'm not really sure what's going on with this one. Let's have a quick look on the app, see what it says. Okay, I'm just going to log it. Hope you like this. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If not, give it a thumbs down. If you subscribe to the YouTube channel, then YouTube will let you know when you open it up that I've uploaded a new video. Right, on to the next one.